Research by the bank FNB into stokvels and savings shows that stokvels are enduring the COVID-19 storm. People continue to contribute, and those who can't are still finding some ways to save. Our business reporter Wandiswa Ntengento has more.
There are approximately 11.2 million people in South Africa belonging to stokvels. One of the largest segments covered in surveys is grocery stokvels, which spends about 13 billion rand a year. So research by Stokvel Academy shows that despite the COVID-19 pandemic, a large number of people are still making their monthly contributions. This is viewed as a sign of resilience in this specific market.
We would expect that stokvels in this climate would be declining. At a very top line, if we look at the month of March, was growing far greater than it was growing in 2019. It was very healthy double-digit growth that the stokvel book was growing at. In the month of May, there was growth from the month of April. June actually grows more than May and April have grown. So you see a bigger growth and a bigger spike. And when we look again now in July is the first month where that rate of growth has actually slowed down.
The expectation in a financial crisis is for more consumers to withdraw more than they deposit. This certainly proves true for stokvels.
The number of deposits has declined, and we understand that. If in a stokvel of 15, 12 members continue to make their deposits, yes, we'll see a decline because the other 3 members aren't able to do it. When we look at, for example, the withdrawals, so now that stokvel saying, I would like the money so I can use it to cover other expenses, the number of withdrawals has actually decreased now in 2020 as compared to previous years.
While traditional stokvels have evolved from simple burial funds, experts say it's time for the groups to broaden their portfolio.
The most important thing when I think of stokvels of the future and banking, digitalization. So stokvels going digital. So traditional stokvels in order to boost more savings, to make more transparent and convenient investments in order to allow us to have this great stokvels of the future.
While in most communities the stokvels sector is seen as an engine for financial growth, some experts believe that it continues to be misunderstood. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I am Wandiswa Ntengento in Johannesburg.